Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas 12 Days of Halloween. Today is day 7 and our theme is, what is it actually? Oh wait, yeah, it's jack-o'-lanterns. I don't know how I'm keeping track of all of these, but today is jack-o'-lanterns and I'm going to be showing you actually a whole bunch of different ways. So I am starting off with 2 coats of painted Phalanges, orange shade called Puking Pumpkins. And this is 2 coats. Of course, you could use whatever sort of orange that you wanted to. I just really liked the mixture of like glitters and little shapes in this one. I thought it would just add a little something extra. And then for the rest of the video, I'm going to be doing art with acrylic black paint and my Orly short detailer. So I am going to actually do 4 different variations of a face because it is a jack-o'-lantern, and of course there's no like set way and you would just carve out whatever you want. So we are actually going to speed through 4 different faces. If you're having a hard time coming up with faces, what I would suggest you do is just like go to Google or go onto Pinterest and look up jack-o'-lanterns and like get some ideas for faces. That is what I did because I'm not huge on Halloween and I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do and how to drag it on for 4 nails, but I did it and I had some fun. So let's speed through these designs. So after that is all done, you need to let them dry, of course, and then apply your choice of top coat. I did decide to go with a matte top coat, and I selected the Sally Hansen's Big Matte Top Coat because it is one of my favorites that you can buy in stores. And I'm just going to do that on all of them. Also, if you wanted to add a little something extra, you could use like a glow-in-the-dark polish at this point, but I just didn't think of that until just now, so I did not do that. But here is your final look. And that brings us to the end of day 7. Tomorrow is day 8, and our theme is bats. And I actually really like how tomorrow's Manny came out. So be on the lookout for that. It will be live at 7 a.m. I hope you guys are enjoying this 12 Days of Halloween series so far. I can't believe we're actually almost over. So I can't wait to show you guys the rest of the Manny's. I hope you are enjoying it, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!